Gattu Chinky played Kho-Kho. Gattu, Chinky and their friends were playing in the park. After some time, all the kids were tired.
I am pretty bored by playing this game for so long. Gattu, let's play something else. Yes, you're right. Even I am bored with this game. What should we play now? Let's play Chor Police. Not that one. Suggest something else. Then why don't you suggest, Bunty? Let's do one thing. Let's play Kho-Kho. Kho-Kho? This sounds like something new. But Bunty, we don't know the rules of this game. That's not a problem. I will explain them to you. But before that, we have to call some more kids to play with us, as this game needs a minimum 12 players.
So Gattu, Chinky and their friends called some more children from their colony. All the kids then sat down in a circle.
Bunty, see, everyone is here. Now you can explain the rules of this game. Okay, Gattu, see, we have 12 players here. Now we have to make 2 teams and each team will have 6 players. So let's form teams first. Okay.
After this, Gattu formed a team with 6 kids and the remaining kids formed another team. Chinky was in another team. One of the kids says, "Now that we have already formed a team, what next?" Bunty was on Gattu's team. He says,
Now one of the team will be defenders and the other will be chasers. Players from one team will chase and another team will run. I don't understand anything, Bunty.
Bunty took a chalk out of his pocket and drew a long straight line on the ground and erected 2 poles at each end of the line.
Let's do one thing. First, our team, which means mine and Gattu's team, will be chasers. You will sit down in the position as I tell you.
Bunty made his team members sit on a line drawn on the ground.
Why are we sitting like this, Bunty? What's next? Gattu, now 3 players from another team will come forward. They will run here and there in the ground and we will have to drag them. They can cross this line and run in other paths, but we can't cross the line, and if we did cross the line, then we will be out of the play. And when I will come to you behind and say Kho while tapping on your back, then you will have to get up and run to tag them. Simple. Oh, I think I'm getting what you are trying to say. Let's start playing. Okay.
From Chinky's team, Chinky, Goody and Hari came forward. Gattu stood at one end of the line and Bunty said to him,
Gattu, I am going to sit here and you will have to tag players from Chinky's team. You can take help by saying Kho. Okay, Bunty, let's start playing.
Gattu started the game and chased the team members from Chinky's team.
Bunty, Kho.
Bunty got up and ran. He managed to tag Goody and mark her out. After some time, all the team members of Chinky's team were out.
Oh, all of us are out. But it was so much fun. What are we supposed to do next, Bunty? Is your team a winner? No, Chinky. I started the timer on my watch when we started the game. Our team took 15 minutes to mark all your team members out. So now, if we want to win this game, then our team players will have to defend themselves for at least more than 15 minutes. What do you mean, Bunty? Now we have to defend and Chinky's team will chase us. Yes, now our positions are completely opposite. We have to save ourselves for more than 15 minutes to win this game. But Bunty, do you really think I will let you win? Just wait and watch. I will tag all of you within just 2 minutes. We will see. Let's resume the game again.
Then next, members from Chinky's team sat down and Chinky went to the end point of the line.
Come forward, opponents. I am going to tag you in a minute. Gattu, we have to save ourselves for as long as we can. That is a goal. Do you understand? Okay, Bunty, we can do this. Let's go.
Then what? Gattu, Bunty and one more member of their team entered the ground. Chinky started chasing to tag them. Very soon, Chinky managed to tag all the members of Gattu's team.
Oh, come on, Bunty, tell us. Within how many minutes did we manage to tag all your team members? Yes, Bunty, tell her that her team has lost the match. Actually, Gattu, Chinky, I... Why are you mumbling? And I, Bunty, tell us what happened. Chinky, actually I forgot to turn on the timer this time. What? Yes, I'm sorry friends. I forgot to turn the timer on. Now how are we going to know who won? Kettu, what is there to find out when it's all clear? Of course our team has won. We have managed to tag all of you so quickly and marked you out. No, Chinky, our team has won, not yours. Yes, Kettu is right. Our team has clearly won this game.
They all started to fight because of this. Secretary uncle of their society arrived over there. Kids, don't fight with each other. I was sitting on the bench over there and watching your game. And I know which team has won.
Really, Uncle? How do you know? Uncle, if you know which team has won, please tell us quickly.
Patience, my dear. When Gattu's team started playing, I turned on the timer in my phone. Gattu's team members tagged the opposite team in 15 minutes, but they were tagged out within just 12 minutes. So, Chinky's team is the winner. Hearing this, Chinky's team members started jumping with joy.
Yay! See, Kettu, we won! Yay!
In this way, all the kids played Kho-Kho and they enjoyed this game very much. Karate class. Mummy Papa observed that for the past few days, Gattu and Chinky were not utilizing their time properly. So finally one day Papa said to Gattu Chinky, Gattu Chinky, I have been observing for a while. You have a lot of free time, but you are not utilizing it properly.
What do you mean by that, Papa?
Means you should learn something when you have free time.
But Papa, what we can do in this spare time? Well, I think both of you should join karate classes. Recently I saw that new karate classes have opened near our house.
Yes, that's a very good idea. You both will be active and you will become stronger too.
What? But why, Papa? Why do we even need to join the karate classes? Yes, Mummy, Papa. It doesn't sound like a fun at all. Playing at home will be better than going to karate classes. No, Chinky. You guys have to learn how to utilize your time properly. This attitude won't work.
That day they stopped the discussion at that point. But the next day also, Mummy and Papa asked Gattu and Chinky to join the karate classes again. Gattu and Chinky tried to give many excuses to avoid joining that class.
Mummy, today we got a lot of homework, so today I can't go to the classes. Yes, Mummy, I also have to complete my school project. It is not possible for me also.
In this way, 1 week passed, but Gattu Chinky never ran out of excuses. Finally, Papa and Mummy tried to explain Gattu and Chinky once again. Kids, why you don't want to go to karate class?
Yes, Gattu Chinky, what is the real problem? Mummy, we don't feel like going to karate classes. We think that we will get bored in that class.
No, Chinky, it is not true. Do you guys even know what the benefits of learning karate are?
What? Benefits? What benefits, Papa?
Children, be it karate or any other form of martial art, you will get to learn many things from it. It will teach you discipline and you will become strong. And not only that, your body will become more flexible. Gattu and Chinky were listening to Papa carefully.
Apart from that, it will also give you strength. Gattu Chinky, you guys will get many benefits from learning karate. Do one thing. You guys watch 2-4 movies based on karate. What? Is karate so special that some movies are also made on that topic?
Of course, Chinky. Karate is a very special martial art. And people are learning and using it since ancient times.
Yes, kids. In earlier times, it was very important to learn such martial arts. Even people living normal life also learn this art. You guys will see. After learning this art, you will be more confident. Alright, Mummy, Papa. If you insist so much, then we will join the karate classes. Yes, Gattu is right. We will definitely give it a try for 2-3 days. And then we will tell you how we feel about going to the karate classes.
Order now from punjinkids.com and get a free Rakhi.
Next day, Papa took the admission for Gattu and Chinky to a nearby karate class. And he also bought karate uniforms for both of them. Gattu Chinky got ready.
Chinky, you look so funny in this uniform. Gattu, you are also looking very funny, really.
Wow, Gattu Chinky, you guys look like professional karate students in this uniform. All the best and enjoy your first karate class a lot.
Thank you so much, Mummy. Oh, Chinky, look, there are so many kids in the class. I never thought that there will be so many children over here. Yes, Gattu, and many kids are even younger than us. Does people really like learning karate so much? I'm already feeling excited seeing all this. Yes, Chinky, me too. I don't know how will we perform today.
Then Gattu Chinky's karate teacher came over there and he explained the basics of karate to them. Then he made them do some exercises. Then a trained student came and according to his teacher's command, he broke the board into 2 parts. Gattu and Chinky were impressed. After some time, the classes were over and Papa came to pick them up. So kids, how was your first karate class? Did you guys enjoy the class?
Papa, there were so many kids in the class. Our karate teacher is very strict and disciplined. And Chinky, do you remember the kid that broke the board? I am still very impressed with it. I also want to do it. Oh yes, you know Papa, one student broke a wooden board very easily. He was really very strong.
That's nothing, Gattu Chinky. If you regularly attend karate classes, then you will also be able to do it.
What? Really, Papa? We will really become that strong, Papa?
Of course, dear. You just have to attend the classes regularly. So will you go?
Yes, Papa. We will definitely go. I also want to be that strong.
Papa was very happy after hearing that Gattu and Chinky are finally enjoying their karate classes. After going home, they also told Mummy about what happened in the class. And they also agreed to regularly attend the class without giving any excuses.
Very good, Gattu Chinky. See, I didn't tell you that you will really enjoy going to karate classes.
Yes, Mummy, we enjoyed it a lot. Yes, Mummy, we really like it very much. If you are liking our videos, then like them, comment them and subscribe.